As small business owners, we understand the challenges of running a profitable business while paying our own salaries. Retirement planning and achieving financial freedom often take a back seat to those pressing needs, and unfortunately, many of our colleagues will have to work indefinitely just to make ends meet. However, amidst the challenges, we've been inspired by the success stories of businesses that have thrived despite the pandemic. One such business is Opulence Global, whose profits have risen by impressive 400%. Their success motivated us to explore ways to increase our net profits and build residual income that could set us up for financial freedom. We realized that adding third-party e-commerce to our existing businesses could be a real game changer. And so we concluded beauty salons with constant walk-in traffic are the perfect environment for successful partners of Opulence Global. As independent business people, we have the potential to earn a significant amount of money and become successful role models who inspire others to achieve self-value and self-worth. We believe that to retire comfortably within the next 5 years, it's no longer an option, but it's a necessity to have a second income stream. And what we do know, nobody gets rich on a salary, and building a retirement fund should not be delayed. We've become cheerleaders for those who have made it through the pandemic, while knowing all too well that many businesses have shut down. By partnering with Opulence Global, we have set ourselves up for financial freedom and inspire those around us to do the same. Encouraging self-value and self-worth can significantly impact those around us, and we're excited about the possibilities that the future holds. We have seen that the pandemic, along with environmental stress, has affected hair health with increased chronic inflammation, even stopping more hair growth in women and men. With 2 products, we have built an income stream that will greatly satisfy customers and build financial freedom. Let me show you how. When it comes to our health, everything is connected. Healthy habits include staying hydrated, managing stress, along with the foods that we eat for hair health. These days, our hair struggles to find pure nutrients. The scientists at Opulence Global have formulated our products to include the strongest antioxidant from nature that is perfected by science. It is known as the Norwegian tree extract. Introducing the Fountain of Life, lignans extracted from the Norwegian spruce tree in Finland. It is a high-performance antioxidant that provides the highest source of dietary lignans available. Very fast-acting. Opulence Global has 100% exclusive rights globally. Fountain of Life has been tested extensively to obtain a Health Canada number. Many believe that baldness is caused by dead hair follicles. In fact, hair follicles are actually lying dormant due to DHT. DHT, a male hormone, causes the hair follicles to shrink, producing thinner hair and eliminating growth altogether. Regularly consuming lignans can lower DHT. Most likely, you've come across this in your chair. Alopecia, the most common type of hair loss, is both hormonal as well as genetic. It affects 50% of men. Lignans prevent hair loss by stopping enzymes from converting testosterone into DHT. I know that you know testosterone is present in both men and women. Of course, men have a higher concentration of this hormone, but even a small amount of DHT in women can lead to significant hair loss. Scalp health is also a primary concern regarding hair loss. Oxidative stress can contribute greatly to this condition. Free radical activity on the scalp can lead to hair loss as well. The Opulence products were developed to address the issues of oxidative stress. Fountain of Life lowers oxidative stress and blocks formation of 5-alpha reductase in both men and women. First, let's take a look at some global issues. The world population is 8 billion. 18.8 million have cancer. 40% have a neurological disease. 1 billion are affected by cardiovascular disease. 1 billion suffer from obesity, with 39 million being children. And alopecia affects 35 million men and 21 million women. Why? We simply just don't have enough. Scientists have discovered that we are now missing lignans in our diets, mainly because our food is so overprocessed, and in many cases, it's actually not real. Lignans are the strongest antioxidants created by nature and perfected by science that can help neutralize free radicals. The Norwegian spruce tree is a self-healing tree, disease-free, antimicrobial, and antibacterial. Lignans from wood extracts have been proven to show anti-inflammatory activity, and we all live with chronic inflammation. And that's what a free radical is. Free radicals are unstable atoms that can damage cells, causing illness and aging. They come from everywhere, but we have to live. Everything we do creates free radicals. We need the fountain of life to combat these free radicals. Benefits of high-performance antioxidants. Taken orally and applied topically, the Fountain of Life, the world's most powerful antioxidant, works on so many levels and, as you can see, contributes to the well-being of so many people. How can one product do it all? All of our illnesses stem from chronic inflammation. FOL, Fountain of Life, helps to eradicate the free radicals that cause inflammation. Daily taking 10 to 30 drops of FOL internally, together with shampooing and conditioning as often as you need, with Captive for men and Sensual for women. This two-step process exfoliates, purifies, and refreshes the scalp by bringing nutrients to make way for follicles to open from the inside and out. Fountain of Life is not a cure or treatment for any ailment. It's a high-performance antioxidant from the Norwegian spruce tree that controls chronic inflammation from free radicals. You can see the results in these photos with people suffering with hair loss. I have presented two products that are the solution for restoring hair growth. However, Opulence Global has a line of products that feature two exclusive proprietary natural ingredients, microsilver and Norwegian tree extract. Together, these two ingredients pack a massive punch to ward off free radicals, which cause chronic inflammation. These two exclusive ingredients are found in our germ protection spray, fluoride-free toothpaste, our mouthwash and moisturizing spray, our hand and body cream, of course our flagship product, Fountain of Life. It's found in our shampoos, Captive and Sensual, and it's found in our beauty products. There is so much room for opportunity when you set up a partnership with Opulence Global. By selling retail through your salon or wholesaling with your stylists, you can explore ways of significantly increasing your net income. The Fountain of Life is a product that really works when it comes to helping your clients with restoring their hair growth. Let's meet to discuss. Meanwhile, sign up for a free VIP account to take a sneak peek at all of our other products. I look forward to meeting with you either in person or on Zoom.